In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an app. We will walk through the process together, step by step, so you can follow along on your Android phone without any stress. To begin, open Play Store on your device. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It is usually a multicolored triangle on a white background. Once you tap it, the Google Play Store home screen will load, showing featured apps, games, and maybe a search bar at the top so you know you are in the right place. Now open Google Play Store fully so it finishes loading. Give it a moment. If your internet is slow, you might see a spinning indicator near the top while it refreshes. When the loading finishes, the main feed of apps appears and the icons and text stop shifting, which means the store is ready for the next step. From here, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This is usually a small circle that might show your photo, your initials, or a generic person icon. When you tap it, a menu will slide down from the top, with options related to your account, payments, and settings, confirming that the tap worked. Next, tap Manage Apps and Device. This option appears near the top of that menu, usually as one of the first choices. After you tap it, the screen changes to a dashboard with two main sections, Overview and Manage, and you may see storage information and update summaries, which means you are now viewing the control center for your installed apps. With that ready, look for and tap Updates Available. You will usually find this as a line or tab that mentions how many updates can be installed, sometimes with a number like 5 updates pending. Once you tap it, the list on the screen switches to only the apps that have newer versions ready, each one showing an update button on the right. From there, find the app you want to update. Scroll through the list slowly, paying attention to the app names and icons so you do not tap the wrong one. A helpful tip: if the list is long, the search icon at the top lets you quickly type the app name and jump straight to it, which saves a lot of time. Once you have found it, tap Update next to that single app. The button changes to a progress bar, and you may see the word Downloading, then Installing. When the bar reaches 100%, the button turns into an open label or disappears from the updates list, which tells you the update is finished for that app. If you want to refresh everything, tap Update All. This starts updates for every app in the list at once, and you will see several progress bars appear one after another. On many phones, only a few apps update at the same time, so do not worry if some wait their turn. They will move as soon as the others finish. You have now updated your Android app using the Google Play Store. If that helped you keep your apps current, give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple app tips.